everybody is a chosen being, you feel me? Everybody's put here on the earth to do something, you feel me? So whatever you want to do, make sure you always keep your mind to it and stay on that road wherever you want to go. You can't take the left road, you can't take the right, take the road that you already got in your head, and that's straight forward. We ain't making no turns, we going straight ahead. I know a lot of people everybody going through it during the pandemic, you feel me? But if you're chosen, we been going through it all life, you feel me? So this shit is normal to us, you feel me? We know how to adjust and, cope through all this shit. So I want y'all to know, you're not alone through this. There's a lot of people going through what you're going through. So really, if you're not dead or dying in the hospital bed, you good. Just breathe through all this shit and you're gonna make it through. God got you. He on your shoulders at all times. Don't worry about none of it. And you feel me? Like, it's a spiritual world, you feel me? Like, so many people waking up now. I see why the pandemic hit, you feel me? Cause like, it's so many people opening their third eye to all this bullshit that they was hiding from us, you feel me? So I see the sickness, you feel me? But I don't understand how everybody getting sick, you feel me? Cause like, I don't understand it. But I know it's all about energy and your vibes, you feel me? Like, you can make your own self sick by your thoughts. That's why you don't think from your head. You gotta start thinking from your heart, you feel me? You gotta start opening up the chakras, you feel me? So this the best time to be spiritual, you feel me? Cause like, you can't get sick when you spiritual. Well, you can get sick, but it's a mind thing, you feel me? It's a mind thing. Anybody can get sick, but you only can bring it on yourself, you feel me? By your thoughts or how you carry yourself. Just always stay positive, no matter what nobody say. Just know what you know, you feel me? Like, I know a lot of spiritual people, be on drugs, you feel me? Like, and they'll tell their people something wrong with them or something like that, you feel me? And like, they don't see it because they not, like, I believe drugs, like, some drugs is higher than, like, that's why it's not legalized. Cause like, when you on drugs, you see things that people who not on drugs, don't see. So I see why drugs is not, legal in certain parts of the U.S., you feel me? But you feel me? They don't want you to see. I'm not saying be on drugs and you gotta be godly. I'm just saying people on drugs seem crazy because they see shit, you feel me, and they feel shit that's not even really, you feel me, it's not even, happening. It's just thoughts. That's why you gotta start opening up your heart, you feel me? So I want everybody to know, like, it's okay, you feel me, like, if you feeling sick, go to the doctor. But it's all a mind thing, you feel me? Like, you can get over anything, no matter what it is, any sickness, you can get over it. No matter what, the doctor is just a human just like you. He might got a degree or she, but they had to go through what you went through, you feel me? Like, they human just like us. So whatever they know, you probably can Google it and know too. So you feel me? So like, I go to the doctor, but you your own doctor. God is your doctor, you feel me? You don't need nobody, telling you that you about to die or something when well, you don't need nobody telling you something when you can fix, whatever sickness that you're going through. So through the pandemic, I just want everybody to just protect your energy and stay safe, you feel me? I ain't saying like, don't like go out, you feel me? You can go out and do all this, but make sure you do it around people that you feel protected by. Don't just go somewhere, cause you can fuck around. You can go get sick in a day. It's just a day sickness by hanging around the wrong people. You feel me? Around this time, you can really mess up your energy, and you'll feel sick one day. Just wake up about to throw up, stomach hurt, and it's not even a sickness that the doctor can solve. It's all a mind thing. You feel me? It's all an energy. Just an energy world. So a lot of energy around people. You feel me? Like, how the dogs breathe, vibration. You feel me? We really animals. We just in a human body. I don't know. Well, we animals. Human is animals. You feel me? So like, I just want y'all to know. Act like an animal out here. You feel me? You see how they be by themselves and they stay around. They don't put themselves around. You see dogs hang with dogs, cats hang with cats. Don't just try to join somewhere just trying to fit in, you feel me? Be yourself. If you gotta hang alone, then be by yourself. But I want y'all to know this is the best time to be spiritual. And I love y'all.